team leader. Set a drop point for your squad soldier.
Mark the DZ. Get ready to drop.
Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Got a contract here.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Primary objective is to eliminate all targets. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Dropping that.
I'm reloading.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Loot here.
UAV standing by.
Requesting recon flyover.
Napalm strike standing by.
Mission timeline expired. UAV exiting the AO.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Changing mags. Great cover round.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. Gas is inbound.
Reloading.
Raider inbound at the speed of heat. Raider returning to base.
I'm reloading. Changing mags.
Too close.
Move in here. Scratch that. Bounty contracts here. Positive ID on the bounty targets. Hunt them down.
Here's the bounty contract. Boom.
objective complete. All targets eliminated.
Swapping magazines.
Bounty targets are up. Get after them.
Reloading. Switching mags.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. All bounty targets destroyed. Hell of a job. Squad mates in the gulag. If they survive, they redeploy.
Changing mags.
Squad mate redeploying to the AO. The squad mate has entered the gulag. They'll need to survive to redeploy. Friendly loadout drops on the way. Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Enemy vehicle.
Your squad mate won the fight. They're redeploying now.
Switching mags. Reloading.
Your squad's in the safe zone. Gas is moving. Bounty targets identified. Weapons free.
Switching mags.
All bounty targets are KIA. Well done.
Swapping magazine.
Anderson requesting LDBR fire mission.
UAV available for tasking.
Requesting recon at my location.
UAV standing by. UAV available for tasking.
I'm reloading. Moving.
Priority tasking request received. We're a dot. Mission timeline expired. UAV exiting the AO. UAV is bingo fuel. Returning to base.
Reloading.
Authorizing UAV mission.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Changing mag. Moving here. Finally, back at full strength. Cancel last.
I've marked a point on your map containing enemy intel. Capture and secure it to get ahead of the next gas spread. Some of your squad is outside the safe zone.
Requesting recon
UAV
flyover.
standing by.
Help your squad mates secure the intel. If you join them, you'll speed up capture.
Mission timeline expired. UAV exiting the AO.
Well done, soldier. Check the map for the next gas
Hate
spread
that one.
location.
Swapping
Heads up.
magazine.
An enemy squad marks you as a bounty target.
Switching mags. Boom.
Precision airstrike ready for tasking. Gas is closing in. Get to the new safe zone. New intel just in. Classified weapon will be airdropped into your AO shortly. High-value target marked. Expect resistance.
Oh yeah, buy station over here.
You're the last of your squad. Finish this.
I'm reloading. Yeah, I'm good now.
Gas is closing in. Classified weapon is now in the field. Acquire it to gain the status.
Finally, back at full strength. Good to be back.
The foe has acquired a classified weapon. Take it from their cold dead hands.
Swapping magazines. Oh yeah, buy station over here. Switching mags.
Changing mag! Safe zone location.
Yeah, I'm good now.
Gulag locked down. Area's clear. Loadout drop headed your way. Targets evaded. Bounty contract's been pulled. High value
Moving.
target located. Bring them down.
Chingado! Fight through that pain!
Your squad is belly up. Get this done on your own.
I'm reloading!
You're losing ground. Move it.
Took around!
You're in the top 5. Bring home the win.
Reloading! Requesting recon at my location.
You're in the top 3. Don't let up now.
Finally, back up on
Primary
strength!
objective complete.
Small cow
All
here.
targets eliminated. You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. Be advised, your squad is down. It's up to you now. You're in the last 2. Now finish this. Your objective's simple. Eliminate all bounty targets.
Requesting close air! Target marked!
Gas is inbound.
Take taxi!
Junk missed. No joy.
Marking enemy. Forget that!